Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of digital marketing and explore why it's so important for businesses in the modern age. So, let's get started. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that businesses can use to connect with their target audience. It's all about using the internet and other digital technologies to promote products and services. Think about it. When was the last time you went to a physical store to make a purchase? Chances are, you did it online. That's why digital marketing is so important. It allows businesses to reach customers where they are, which is online. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of methods, including search engine optimization (SEO), search engine marketing (SEM), content marketing, influencer marketing, content automation, campaign marketing, data-driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media optimization, email direct marketing, display advertising, ebooks, and optical discs and games. It's a vast field that's constantly evolving, and it's essential for businesses to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. One of the key benefits of digital marketing is its ability to track and measure results. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing allows businesses to see exactly how their campaigns are performing. This data-driven approach helps businesses make informed decisions and adjust their strategies accordingly. Another advantage of digital marketing is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing methods, digital marketing is often more affordable and can reach a wider audience. It's a great way for small businesses to compete with larger competitors. So, there you have it, folks. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that's transforming the way businesses connect with their customers. It's important for businesses to embrace this digital age and use it to their advantage. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of digital marketing.